Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to do a silver makeup look for the New Year's Eve or any party after that, especially right now. Everybody is partying already. But before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel, and let's get started. First thing I'm going to use is the Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studio to start prepping my skin, and I'm going to prime my face. I don't know if I wanted to use this one or the new Maybelline primer, but like for this makeup look, like this one is good. Or should I think I should have used the other one. I don't know, but I'm feeling this one. Usually do the orange concealer, but you know what, I'm not feeling it, so I'm gonna use the L'Oreal True Match Eye Cream in a concealer, and I'm going to apply 2 dots. Start blending. So this is just to have extra coverage. Usually this product is to be used on top of the foundation. Sometimes I use it like that, and sometimes I use it before the foundation because I feel like it gives you an extra coverage, but without making it too heavy, even though I apply after concealer. But I feel like this one gives you extra coverage. Use the Maybelline again, brightening creamy concealer in the shade Fair, and this is just, I use this just to cover my pimples before the foundation. I mean, if you follow me already, you guys know that I always do this step unless I forget. Foundation, I wanted to use again this one, the CC cream from e.l.f. because it is a party makeup look. But we did that already for the green makeup look. Use my favorite, I don't even know where's the cap, but I'm gonna use the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Foundation. You guys know I love this foundation. It went all the way to my dress. I'm going to apply, and this is in the shade medium 80W. Oh my god, I can't believe I don't have any more. No. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Concealer. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Camel Concealer on the inner corners. You guys know, if you follow me already, these are my favorite concealers. And then the Hydrating Camel Concealer. Today I went to CVS because I wanted to buy something else. I don't remember what. I went to CVS and I saw the section of the Milani Cosmetics that they were like on sale, like you buy one and the other one was 50% off. And I was looking through the makeup and I saw they had this I think it's like a tint on sale. It was like you buy one and the other one was half price, and I wanted to buy it just to try it out because I don't know, I really want to try it out. Anymore, they only had for light skin and dark skin, but I'm like in between. So now I'm going to contour my face. Here, remember to try to contour your face, oh my god, to contour your face upwards. Okay, try to start from here and up because this is gonna make the illusion of your face lift. I'm gonna go with the blush, so I'm going to use the Milani Romantic Rose blush, and I'm going to on the cheeks. Remember, go to your cheeks and then go upwards, so it goes with the contour. The same thing as also the concealer. I'm going to use my favorite highlighter of all times, which is the R.E.M Beauty. This is in the shade Miss Mercury. It is so beautiful. If you have seen my other videos, I can't stop using it at all. To apply on top of my nose right here. Boom. You see this? This is so beautiful. I'm going to apply it right here too. Choose first the Tres Luce Beauty palette, the R.E.M palette, and I'm going to use the color Light, and this is just to set the concealer that I applied before on my eyes. And I'm just gonna do it like that really quick. Then I'm gonna use the color Bella. I'm gonna start and do the transition color on the upper part of my crease and on this side like that. Now for the silver color, I'm gonna use another palette. I'm gonna use the BH Cosmetics palette from their travel series to Paris. So I'm gonna use City of Light. I'm going to apply the color just on the lid. Like I said, it's super simple. It's gonna make the shape of my lid. Remember, do the shape of your lid, okay? Every lid is different, so don't try to make the shape of mine because it's not gonna look cute. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. I'm going out. I'm not gonna do, as you guys can see, like a dramatic outside part of my eye. It's gonna be like so simple. After that, I'm going to apply e.l.f. mascara just to start prepping my lashes before applying the falsies. To add something, a little touch to this makeup, I'm going to use the color Fuerte, which is this black eyeshadow, to basically do the line going over my lid like that, maybe a little bit more halfway. Thing on this side, like it gives more dimension to the inner corner. And then going out, then we're gonna put some falsies. It's gonna look so cute. I'm going to grab again City of Lights from the palette Paris, and I'm gonna go underneath the eyes so the look makes sense. I'm not gonna touch the inner corner part of the eye because I wanna add a pop of color. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to apply some falsies, and these are from Ardell. After, I'm gonna go back with Tres Luce palette. I'm gonna go with the color Divina, and that's the color that I want to use to pop the inner corner of my eyes. So I'm gonna do one part and going towards the inner corner, and do the same thing on this side, the inner corner. Now I'm gonna go Real Volume Mega Mascara for my lower lashes. You guys know that I love this one for my lower lashes. Everyone, this one I showed you guys when I did the green makeup look. This is from Wet n Wild. It's just a black pencil, and it is so pigmented. I never tried this one before from Wet n Wild, and I definitely gonna go back and buy the other colors, especially the white one, because this is awesome. I want to use the Tres Luce Beauty Palette Mirror because I feel like it's more holiday. Oh my god, I already did a makeup look with this palette. So I'm going to use this lip pencil from ColourPop. This is from the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer collection. And I'm gonna go my favorite nude, which is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Abu Dhabi. Just to change a little bit of lip gloss, I'm gonna use the ColourPop lip gloss. This is in the color Panna Cotta, and this is from their Limoncello collection. So here is the final makeup look. I love how it turned out. I feel like it's a soft, like I said, I feel like it's a soft silver makeup look because we don't have this black eyeshadow on the outside part of the eyes. I love how it turned out. I love how it looks with the nude lips. It is so cute. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love so much. It is so cute. I don't want to take it off. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Turn on the notification bell so YouTube can notify you when I upload a video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.